Good evening, this is Naisha Gaskin. Today is January 28, 2019. This is week 4 video. Exercise number 1, Methyl Red and Vogue's ProScar testing. My area has been disinfected already. And I have my culture vials here, and then I have my MRVP broth vials. One label E. coli, the other one label S. epididymis. So I'm just gonna follow some of the steps. My candle is lit. It says gather the active E. coli culture vial, remove the cap, and place the tip of vial over the flame to sterilize it. Then it says, remove the lid from the MRVP broth tube and flame the tip of the tube. Let's set this one here. Remove the dropper pipette from the alcohol and shake it dry. Make sure I get all the alcohol out. Next, carefully insert the tip of the pipette into the active E. coli culture and drop a small amount of broth. Ooh. Carefully pipette 4 drops of the active culture into the MRVP tube. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is gonna go into my bleach. Now I'm gonna flame the tip. And screw on the cap. Then I'm going to flame the tip on my active culture. Screw on the cap. And I'm going to repeat these same steps for my S. epididymis. Then I'm going to let it incubate for 48 hours, so I'll be back in 48 hours. Good evening, this is Naisha Gaskin. Today is January 30th, 2019. This is week 4 video. This is part 2 of exercise 1, and this is my Methyl Red test. So I have sterilized my 2 test tubes with alcohol, and I wrote E. coli on them. And then here is my incubated MRVP broth with E. coli on it. And I'm going to pour half into each one of my test tubes. And it says that they should be equal amounts. And so I have my Methyl Red reagent, and it says pipette 7 drops into 1 E. coli into 1 S. epididymis test tubes. And I did do my S. epididymis here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so I'm back, and now I am doing part 3 with the Vogus ProScar test. It says remove the tip of the Barrett's A region pipette with scissors and add 12 drops to each test tube. Gently mix by swirling the tubes. So here we go with 12 drops into my E. coli. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Gently swirling the test tube. Smells like alcohol. All right. That's for my E. coli. And now it says, remove the tip of the Barrett's B region pipette with scissors and add 4 drops to each test tube. Shake the test tube gently for 30 seconds to expose the contents to oxygen. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Okay, so I waited about 30 minutes for my experiment, and then I forgot to record my video of my findings, but I did take pictures of it, so I'll include those on my lab report assistant, and that will conclude my video for tonight. Thank you for watching. With exercise 2, this is catalase testing. So I'm gonna start at number 8, where it says open the lid of the plate and collect several colonies with the inoculation loop. And I'm gonna start with my S. epididymis because my E. coli didn't grow any growth. My inoculation loop has been dried, so let me see. Transfer the collected colonies to the circle on the slide. Pipette 1 drop of hydrogen peroxide onto the sample and observe it for the formation of oxygen bubbles. Come closer. So there's a little bit of bubbles on there. Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
You can see the white bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Now that will conclude my video for today. Thank you for watching.